I came home early, expecting a smile. Walking through the door, staying for a while, but the house was silent, cold as a stone. And on the kitchen table, I was left alone.
Just a piece of paper with lines of blue ink, pushing me closer, closer to the brink.
It said, I'm sorry,
I can't stay.
those few little words
Took my life away.
took my life away. I read it once, I read it twice. My blood turned cold, cold as ice. Tears started falling, smearing the page, turning my sorrow into burning rage.
Just a piece of paper,
Just a piece of paper
with lines of blue ink,
with lines of blue ink,
pushing me closer,
pushing me closer, closer to the brink.
It said, I'm sorry, I can't stay.
Those few little words
Took my life away.
took my
life away.
no explanation, no reason why, just a simple note to say goodbye. I crumpled it up, threw it on the floor, staring at the lock on the front
Just a piece of paper
Just a piece of paper
with lines of blue ink,
with lines of blue ink,
pushing me closer,
pushing me closer, closer to the brink. It said, I'm sorry, I can't stay. Those few little words took my life away, took my life away, took my life away. Just a letter, goodbye. I sat down at the table, money in my hand, thinking I was a king, ruler of the land. You were dealing the cards with a smile so sweet. I didn't know I was sitting in the loser's seat. I went all in, betting on your heart. But you were playing games from the start. I drew the ace of spades, the card of death and pain. Now I'm walking home, alone in the rain. You had an ace up your sleeve, hidden from my eyes. Your love was just a bluff, wrapped in disguise. I put my soul on the line, hoping for a win, but losing you, baby, is the ultimate sin. I went all in, betting on your heart, but you were playing games right from the start. I drew the ace of spades, the card of death and pain. Now I'm walking home, alone in the rain. Bad luck is my shadow everywhere I go, from the high rolling cities to the valleys low. My pockets are empty, my heart is broke too. Everything I lost it on you. On your heart, but you were playing games right from the start. I drew the ace of spades, the card of death and pain. Now I'm walking home, alone in the rain. Lost it all,
nothing left to lose,
just the blues,
just the blues.
Yes, whoa. To the doctor early this morning, feeling mighty weak, tattered and torn. He checked my pulse, looked in my eyes, shook his head slowly with a look of surprise. He said, son, there ain't no pill for your pain. You got a sickness driving you insane. It ain't the flu and it ain't the cold. There's a broken heart that's losing its heart, that's losing its hold. My temperature is rising, burning like fire, consumed by the flames of a lost desire. I'm shaking and shivering down to my knees, begging for a cure, saying help me please. He said, son, there ain't no pill for your pain. You got a sickness driving you insane. It ain't the flu and it ain't the cold. It's a broken heart that's losing its heart, that's losing its hold. Prescriptions imply don't work on a soul. When you've lost the one who made you whole, put away the needle, put away the glass. This kind of sickness, it won't ever pass. He said, son, there ain't no pill for your pain. You got a sickness driving you insane, driving you insane. It ain't the flu and it ain't the cold. It's a broken heart that's losing its hold. No cure for love that's losing its hold. Just let me die, that's losing its hold. The fever keeps rising, that's losing its hold, that's losing its hold. Oh, yeah. I try to speak, but the words won't come. My throat is dry and my heart is numb. So I pick up this old piece of wood. Does me more justice than a woman ever could. Oh, listen to my guitar weep tonight, telling the story of a losing fight. 6 strings of sorrow wrapped in steel, playing the pain that I truly feel. Every note is a tear I cry, every bend is a hurt inside. She walked away without a sound, telling the story
of a losing fight.
6 strings of sorrow
Wrapped in steel,
playing the pain that I truly feel. Cry for me, sing the blues, yeah, just like that. Yeah, just like that.